Many stroke survivors often ask me, Doctor, what foods can we eat along with our medications that can actually help us achieve holistic relief from the stroke? They're often worried about their treatment, side effects, and recovery time. Plus, they are also worried about the future risk of the stroke, whether it affects them in future or not. But the good thing is that stroke treatment along with brain healthy diet can actually help speed up the stroke recovery much faster than your normal treatment regime. Yes, it's very true. Some foods can really strengthen the nervous system, increase neuroplasticity, enhance mood and memory, and improve mobility affected by stroke. So let's begin with what foods you should include in your diet to heal faster and safer along with your stroke medicines. Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all my viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have long clinical expertise and experience in treating brain disorders over the years. In today's video, the foods I am going to recommend to you are based on my clinical research and knowledge. So let's begin. The number one brain superfood for stroke recovery is berries. Yes, berries are actually very good for your brain and heart. Berries are rich in flavonoids. Some research suggests that higher berry intake help reduce cognitive decline and promote better memory. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce the oxidative stress from the neuronal cells and improve overall health. The second is citrus fruits, which are rich in vitamin C and fiber. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons give you vitamin C and soluble fiber. Vitamin C supports collagen, helping blood vessels repair. Fiber in citrus fruits helps lower cholesterol, reducing the future risk of stroke. Stroke patients notice weakness and loss of muscle strength. Muscle weakness often follows a stroke. Protein helps rebuild the strength. It is important for them to include lean protein in their diet like eggs, tofu, soy, low-fat milk, lentils, and fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. The fourth food is avocado. They deliver healthy fats, vitamin E, and potassium. These nutrients support blood pressure control and protect cells. Plus, due to its omega-3 fatty acids, it helps reduce cognitive declines like memory loss, difficulty learning and focusing, and low mood. You can add them to your toast and salads and enjoy the health and delicacy. Now, the fifth dietary food is leafy greens. Leafy greens are rich in B vitamins, which are very important for your brain, minerals, and potent antioxidants. Spinach, kale, collard greens are rich in folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Folate helps lower homocysteine, a compound linked to stroke risk. Antioxidants protect neurons from oxidative stress after stroke. Do you know that your favorite thing that fills your cravings can also benefit your stroke recovery? Yes, I am talking about the dark chocolates. In moderation, dark chocolate 70% or higher offers flavonoids that support brain blood flow. Now, the seventh plant-based omega-3s rich brain superfood is walnuts. Walnuts are not only rich in omega-3s, but they are also high in protein, fiber, vitamin E, folate, copper, manganese, and magnesium, which are crucial for brain health and stroke recovery. They also support gut health and heart health. Now, the last and the most important part of the Mediterranean diet is extra virgin coconut oil. It is rich in oleic acid, a monosaturated fat that helps reduce LDL and increase or maintain HDL, that is good cholesterol, keeping arteries clearer and healthier. This oil is also loaded with natural antioxidants, vitamin E, squalene, sterols, and polyphenols like hydroxytyrosol, tyrosol, and oleanthocanthyl, which help reduce inflammation in the arteries, thus improving the blood flow to the brain. Alright, So I have discussed some of the best foods for stroke recovery based on my own clinical knowledge and research. I hope you found these food tips helpful. They will surely help speed up the stroke recovery and reduce the future risk of the stroke. I hope you liked my video. Please share it with others who might benefit and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related interesting videos. Thanks. Have a great day.